Okay, diri na kita ma'am. Kaya di apoy mga buhaya, diri ma'am,
Ha?
mga halas.
Here, Cheyenne.
Tarad, layo ra ma'am, layo ra.
Probably left that one.
Crocodile and a python the same here.
Oh, the alligator.
Oh, look at that one.
That crocodile live in a fresh water. That one. That crocodile lives in a fresh water.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I go in there with him?
No, no,
I bet he's a pet. I bet he won't bite.
no. He bites.
I know. I don't think he'll bite.
Ano yun?
Ibon naman po ma'am yung kalaw.
Right behind you. Oh, you gonna have to pull it out? Okay. Tell her go on up there. I'm gonna force her up there. Oh, she's taking off on me. I thought she was gonna stand right here. All right, buddy. What you doing? Huh?
Pwede hawakan ma'am, hindi yung kalaw po.
Look at it.
Mabait po yan ma'am.
That's one is a salt crocodile.
Wally.
Salt
His name Wally. What's his name?
Ganun talaga.
His name is
Excited yan ma'am.
Delphin.
Delphi.
Yeah, Delphin.
Delphi.
Delphin.
Ganyan yung mga excited.
His name is Delphin. Crocodile.
Oh, the eyes are opening now.
Para siyang goat ma'am. Pag mag-mimic sound. Parang yung kambing. Hindi yung ganun.
Oh, oh.
What is that?
Ikaw din ma'am. Takot. Takot ka sa ibon ma'am.
Sa Marking Butiki po.
Maganda kasi yun ma'am.
I thought you could hold these. Dad.
I
thought you could hold
Sige, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Don't be shy.
Ready na yan ma'am.
Hindi yan maluta, ma'am.
Ma'am, gusto niyo kayong dalawa ma'am?
Ganito ka lang iwan.
Pipicturean ko kayo ma'am. Okay there?
Picture tayong dalawa. Ito sa kabila niya.
Side by side kayo.
Hindi naman siya matatakot. Mga kinukulang
Hindi yung natatakot ma'am. Pero siya nananakot minsan ma'am. Nananakot minsan.
Ano pa pangalan niya ulit?
Kaya si Carlo yan.
Ay, lalaki pala.
Lalaki.
Hello, ano sa Cornville?
Huh?
Alam, nakabukas sa bibig niya. Oh.
Carlo. Hey, Carlo. You
Ma'am,
come
hindi
up?
ibig sabihin
Come
nakabukas.
up?
Gutom yan ma'am ha. Pag nakabukas yung bibig niya ng crocodile, ibig sabihin yan, nag-digest yan sa kanyang kinain ng manok ma'am.
You.
Kanina, nalakain lang niya.
Kahapon ma'am.
That's a native in Bohol.
Kasi hindi ma'am, everyday yan
Native
pinapakain.
bird in Bohol.
Pwede once a week yun ma'am.
Well, if that bait gets you in trouble.
Yung kanilang metabolism
Buddy,
na
what you
lang mag-digest, kaya
You like it?
pwede sila pag-inom ng
Huh?
Tulad din ng ahas ma'am, yung ahas nga, once a month.
Can you take a picture now?